Thank you all for your lovable and valuable words which you mentioned about the Kerala. I hope you all enjoy the beauty of Kerala. For us, this Onam festival is a national festival. The whole Malayalis enjoy this festival, Onam festival. The message of Onam festival is that of communal harmony, love, hospitality. So this time, we plan to have more foreigners from other countries and also from other states in India. For that, we organized this, and with the leadership of Srimati Shika Surendran, the Director of Tourism, and Mr. Rupesh, who is the MD of Responsible Tourism. We had a tremendous program in the name of Cultural Exchange. I congratulate all who organized this tremendous program. And I warmly welcome you all. I warmly welcome you all for this procession, which will be in this today evening. And there will be special seat arrangement for you. So I hope you all enjoy Kerala. Thank you. And also you must be the brand ambassadors of Kerala tourism in your country. Thank you. Thank you all.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update.